Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be decluttering under my sink. As you can see, it is an absolute mess, and I'm going to try to use the Konmari way, so let's just see how this goes. The first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and remove everything out from under my cabinets. And also, I want to say I am collabing with one of my girlfriends from here on YouTube. She took a break from YouTube. She just bought a new house and had another sweet baby boy. So she's going to be doing this video with me. So I'll leave the link to her video down in the description so you can get double the motivation today. I'm really hoping that after getting this done, I can just keep it organized and make sure I put everything back where it goes each time I use it. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to try to do this whole KonMari thing, but I really don't know a lot about it, so I actually had to look it up online. I know two of the things on there I'm definitely going to go by. I know one of them is you must touch everything, and then there's another rule that says, does it bring you joy? So I looked it up online. And I don't know if I can say all of these are going to apply to just cleaning out under my sink, but it wants you to visualize your destination, kind of where you want to put it. Obviously, everything is going under my sink. Dress the part, dress accordingly. I'm pretty comfy. We are going to go out later, so I did put on jeans, but these jeans are actually jeggings, so they're super comfortable. Eliminate distractions and focus on the task at hand. No distractions right now. I do have my water. That's the only distraction I have. I don't know where Piper is. I'm surprised she's not in here trying to climb under. So we've gotten that taken care of. And like I said, hold everything. Does it spark joy? Tidy by category, not by place. With this, basically everything is cleaning products. So I don't know if that rule would actually apply to me, because I think it could be more of a good idea to put all the bathroom products together, all the laundry products together if I had any, all of the kitchen products together. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go by that. Designate a place for each thing. I think what I'm going to do is, if I don't do it by room in the house, I want to do it by brand, because I have a lot of brand specific things like Mrs. Meyer's and Method products, so we will see. And then find the right storage. As you can see, I don't have a whole lot of storage. I have this green bin right here, and then I have this little bin that you can't really see, but it's the cleaning caddy that I take to my bathroom. I also have a few caddies in my laundry room that I'm going to use that I got from Grove, so I think that'll help as well. And then the last one is follow your intuition. So yes, that's pretty self-explanatory, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so far this is where I'm at. And then I still have all of this stuff over here that I need to find homes for. So I can kind of understand why she says to not organize by room or category or whatever it was. I can't even remember at this point. But I'm not going to be able to fit all of these Grove caddies in here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to still separate them by season, but I'm just going to push the products to the back of the cabinet. And then I'll probably just keep this one out for spring. Okay, so this right here, I'm not going to be able to use for just bathroom because obviously this would be a waste of space if I did. So what I'm going to do is put some of this anti-bac in there because I did just buy this in the wildflower scent and I do use this in the bathroom sometimes. And then stuff like this can also be used in the bathroom as well. So I'm going to add that in here. Okay, so here is all the stuff that I didn't end up keeping in there, minus my phone, ignore that. I'm either going to donate this stuff or throw it away. I feel bad just throwing away perfectly good products because I don't like them. Just because I don't like them doesn't mean another person won't. For some reason, I haven't been liking this peppermint lately, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it away. I know it is a Christmas scent, but there's no use in me just holding on to it if I'm never going to use it. And then we don't even have a steam mop, and I'm pretty sure those go to steam mops. Alex used to have one before we started dating, and that was a really long time ago, so I don't know why we still have those. There was some trash in there, like I don't know what. This is dirty. Okay. I do need to keep these. It felt so light. You know how magic erasers are. They don't have any weight to them that I just thought it was trash. But I will need to find a spot for these. And I have all of this hand lotion right here. Like, hand lotion is not cleaning products. Even though it is the Mrs. Meyer's brand, it does not belong under there. So I'll probably give away 2 of those at least. And since it's winter, I have dry skin, so I'll still keep 1 of them. And then I have just these hand soaps. I'm not going to get rid of the hand soaps because we do use the hand soaps, so there's no reason for me to just throw them out if we're going to eventually use them when we run out. And I'm just going to go and put this in the garage. We don't really have an ant problem, but spring's coming up, so who knows. So I'll put that in the garage. And then we had 2 of these, and they're both like practically brand new. And these heads are actually disposable, so I'm actually going to give one away to my sister or Alex's mom, I'm not sure. And then this is pretty much empty. We had 2 of these and this one's almost empty, so no reason to keep that. I haven't used this Febreze in like 18 years, so yeah, why am I holding on to it? And then I'm going to give this away too because I'm not a fan of lavender. If you followed my channel for a while, you know that. I've just been using it to use it up, but I might as well go ahead and let somebody else use it. I do have this Method all-purpose spray right here, this lime and sea salt, so I'll just continue to use this. And if I'm completely honest with you guys, I don't use all-purpose spray a lot anyway, just because of the fact that I have so many other good cleaners for specific areas, like my wood table, my floors, my granite, my stove. So I don't have to use it a lot, so that will last me months probably. I do have these cleaning products up here as well. This is the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent, and I just kind of use these and display them out as decor. I love Mrs. Meyer's products, but over here you'll see that Alex actually does not like their dish soap, so I'm the one who uses that. And then I also have the all-purpose spray, which is actually almost empty, so between that and then the Method that I have under my sink, that should last me all through the spring. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the lighting is not that good because I am a shadow right now, but this is how it turned out. I did not have much to work with, but I did not have to go out and buy anything extra to store anything in. I put all the boxy stuff back there in the back. Most of my bathroom stuff is in here, and then this is everything that I use for my kitchen. And then over here is just some miscellaneous stuff. I do want to mention that I did just get this room spray, and I don't know how I'm liking it yet, so I don't know if I'm actually going to keep it. I thought I liked it, and then I didn't, and then I did. So I'm going back and forth with this. Maybe I just need to try a different scent. But as you can see, I get basically most of my cleaning products from Grove. I always have a link in the description box where you can get free stuff. So always go down there and find that link if you ever want to try them out. And then I have all of my seasonal stuff back there in the back that, of course, I'm not going to use until fall next year and Christmas, winter. It's still winter technically, but you know what I mean. And then we usually wash dishes by hand, but I do have a few dish pods just in case. And then, yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I did keep a lot, but a lot of the stuff I kept is stuff that I'm actually going to use and brings me joy. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was absolutely a great way to start off my Saturday morning. I feel super productive. Me and Alex are about to head out and go have some fun for this weekend, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me declutter. Don't forget to head on over to Heather's channel and watch her videos so you can get some more motivation, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.